Laura had a problem. She wasn't getting enough sleep at night. It wasn't because she was worried about money or the future. The problem was her husband's snoring was keeping her awake. Laura and her husband tried everything they could think of to stop the snoring, but nothing worked. Finally, Laura turned to her best friend Jill. "What can I do?" she said. "Am I going to have to move to another bedroom to get a good night's sleep?" "Before you do that, you need to check out the review site TopConsumerReviews.com, answered Jill. Bob and I had the same problem. We were desperate, but once we found the right product for us, Bob's snoring problem disappeared. That night, Laura and her husband took Jill's advice. They read through the reviews and chose the snoring solution they wanted to try. Now Laura wakes up refreshed every morning after a good night's sleep. If you suffer with a snoring problem, take Jill's advice. Visit TopConsumerReviews.com today.